Bill's on the first step of putting together the exercise machine.
Doing the front brace and wheels.
Good.
Okay. Okay. When they said slide it in, they mean slide it in.
And then we have this little mechanism that goes on the bottom right here. This piece. Do you want me to throw it to you?
Yeah.
Right there. That's going to go directly on the bottom of it as you put it in.
Okay, you want to take a picture?
Yes, I'm taking it now.
Easy so far, so good. Okay.
Little metal cap there. Yeah. Good. Of those two pieces. Sophie. Sophie. Hi, Sophie. Hi, Sander. Sander and Sophie. They're all looking at me. They're going, what is that? This looks like Christmas Day. It's got all the boxing and trappings of everything out. Bill's doing a terrific job being Santa. Thank you, Bill.
That's good.
Yes.
So far, so good.
So far, so good.
We call this armchair assembly.
That's right.
Okay, what next, doo-doo?
Okay, so tighten up the nuts and bolts on both sides. We did that, right?
No, I haven't done that yet.
Okay, so it says securely tighten all nuts and bolts at this point.
Well, they give all the tools.
That's a nice thing. You're attaching the front post to the frame.
Yeah, but I have to put in the cable.
Okay, in order to hold the front post while connecting the cable lines, extra help will be needed.
Okay.
So I'm going to have to hold the pole while you connect it.
Unless it goes down in this thing. Bring it down. Now getting the cable on this part to this part.
Okay, the problem is we don't have it connected. Do you see that?
No.
This is not inside this metal thing.
Well, see?
See, we didn't do it. It didn't get in there.
This is a terrible thing. You might want to see a psychiatrist to get this part all taken care of, because it's driving me crazy.
So we got the nightwear part of the the cable in. We put down the handle down into the post, and now Bill is securing the post. Where his hand is and the screw is right where that tension rod went in, and it took us some time to try to get it in. It took 2 hands, no one to hold the camera. So that nightmare is finally done. Now he's... Yes, Bella, I see you. Yeah, you've been gone all night. You finally have come and showed up. Bella. Hi, Bella. Hello, little girl. Let's see what our next step is.
You're my girl. Bella's a helpful little girl. She truly is a love. Bella's a love. See, she loves Daddy.
She does. She loves her daddy.
Daddy.
Bella. Bella.
Say hi, Mommy.
Hi, Bella.
Hi, Mommy.
Bella girl. Over here. I don't know if she really wanted to go out. Bella. Bella. What you want, little girl? What is it? What is it that you want?
Come on, Bella.
There she
What's
goes.
Not too bad. That cable is exasperating, but write the manufacturer, let her say. There's easy ways to do that thing. Okay, tightening the seat. Not the seat. This is the seat support. So you're using two wrenches to catch this and tightening it up. Good. Now we're gonna do the other one. This one, the brace is in the way, so it's going to take longer. Manipulate, instead of having this a real not a nightmare, but it's not a nice thing to have to swing it and then stop it. Okay, that's tight. Now we're going to put the back on. It says, that's what it says. We're going to put the back on next. The seat. Okay.
They're down here.
Which
You
bolts?
need those 4 small bolts. The 4 small.
The smallest one?
Yes, I think so. And the 4. It said 4 bolts and 4 washers on both seats and back.
All in all, I must say, we were kind of dreading putting this thing together because we don't want to yell and swear at each other all the time. But it really wasn't all that bad. I assume that it goes this way. Yes.
You know, I'm thinking.
That's what it looks like.
Boy, that's a nice wide seat.
That is.
Well, wide butts need wide seats. So, hallelujah.
And I'm sure, like myself and my wife, we're not the smallest people in the world. And anybody, well, I'm not saying anybody that wants this, but probably 90% of the folks that are getting this machine is probably not the most slender person in the world. I'm just doing this by, you can turn the camera off in a minute. I'm just doing this by feeling the thing and lining up the underneath. I don't want to bend my neck. I can feel it, feel it, feel it.
Okay, and we'll be back shortly.
Film at 11. Here.
What did you say?
This should be pretty easy. This goes the wrong way. I'm going the wrong way. Is that the way it's supposed to go? They go up.
They go down.
They go down like that?
Yeah, they go down. You have to turn it upside down because the handles have to go down.
Oh, the handles have to
They go in a downward spiral. Yes, like that.
Okay. They go like that.
Yes. See the importance of some exercise. Hopefully you and I will get into a regime and a routine of using it.
Yeah, either collect dust.
A clothes hanger. That's what a lot of them are.
Pretty much done.
Yes, I think that will be the last. I'm going to look on the next page. It looks like that's the last 2 steps. Speedometer and pedals.
And I'll put the 2 other seat bolts down that I was waiting to swing it on this side.
Yes, it says to connect the computer wire next and attach the speedometer. And then the last thing we do is put the pedals on. Cinder's in the way. Cinder, come on, move, Cinder. So I could see Baby. There's Baby. Baby's our fun little boy stray. There we go. There. Now. Well, at least it's nice so you can put the batteries in without having to take it off.
Yeah.
That's a good thing.
That is a good thing.
I don't know how that would have worked if it was the other way. That would not have been good. It's coming along.
That was easy enough.
It's coming along and coming along and coming along.
Hey, anyone interested? I'm Bill Kiefer, former U.S. Marshal, Cop to Cook. Check out my YouTube channel, Cop to Cook. But I'll put this together for you for $100. $100. Now, if you live in Pennsylvania, it's probably going to cost you another $1,000 for me to fly there and fly back. So. But I'm worthy, and I'm trustworthy to put one of these suckers together. I've done it once. $100, you pay travel and expenses, and I eat well, so I have lots of chicken when I'm there.
And ta-da!
We're done.
So I don't think that's too difficult. Except put on the little pedal guards first, because I need those. Keep my feetsies in. On my last bike, I wouldn't have been able to do it without my little pedal guards, because they really keep your feet positioned, especially when you're pedaling really hard. Boy, if you're pedaling hard and your foot slips off of that pedal, it hurts because your foot's knocking against the runaway pedal and it's hard to get going again. So,
And these are adjustable.
they just really do the trick for me.
So these are adjustable pedal.
That's great. Excellente. Now that is a fine piece of machinery. How's that adjustment? There you go. How does it feel as far as tension goes?
Any tension is bad tension.
Does it have tension right now?
Yeah.
Okay. You can put it to no tension, right?
Oh yeah, that's
Oh, nice, huh?
that's no tension.
There we go. That's what we want to start out with. No tension.
This feels good.
Good. And now, does the odometer working?
It's showing 12.0, 11.7, 15.3, 0.11. I don't know what that means.
But at least it's working.
Time, speed.
Good. We'll have to just
Distance.
figure out how to do that.
This will be plenty for me, and it's quiet. Listen.
Boy, it is quiet. Boy, you can hardly hear it. That's great. It looks like that's the perfect distance for you.
Yeah. You know, I'm 220 pounds. Formerly 260 pounds. Fortunately, I've lost 40 pounds in the last year or so. Just because. I don't know why. My appetite's gone away.
And we're eating right. And we're eating right.
We're eating right. Instead of grabbing a bowl of pasta, I'm grabbing an apple, a banana, or a handful of almonds, raw almonds, and they're doing well for me. This feels quite, you know, I'm sitting and it's pleasant to my back.
Good.
And my hips.
So it's comfortable. You look like it's actually not that bad.
Yeah.
Good
so
deal.
let my darling wife, Carolyn, give it a try.
Very
well,
good.
I think we're not going to do any filming for her. Okay.
I'm too timid.
Welcome to Oregon Business Pro, YouTube marketing videos and website productions for any business in Oregon. Videos start at $200 and websites start at $400. Domains cost $25 each and a monthly server fee of $25. And that is your starting point for our services.